Good afternoon, it's Jilly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little test pour using my gorgeous Boom Gel paints. So they're called Boom Gel Stain. These are kind of pre-made paints, I think specifically to create the bloom effect, like the Shelley Art bloom effect, but they're already pre-made in a bottle, so you don't have to add anything. They're all just can pour straight from the bottle. You only have to use a little, a very little amount of them, so you don't use lots of these paints. So the Boom Gel are available worldwide. They do have stockists in the US. We have Capriole Shabby Chic in Australia that has them, and in the UK they do have a stockist now. So I'm going to do a little pour on my spinny wheel thing. I've added a popsicle stick so I can spin it. I don't know whether I'll be spinning it too far, but what I want to do is put some tape on the back, sort of just roll it like that so it becomes like double-sided tape. You can do the same. I just want to stick it to my spinner so it doesn't go spinning off. So it's kind of another little test to see if I can achieve this. But yeah, these paints are, it's nice to try new things, and I love to, keep it different and try new things. So I'm going to stick this where the sun don't shine. I'm going to stick it probably better that way. So I'm sticking it with that double-sided tape, so I can use my popsicle stick to spin it. Either way, I haven't got to touch the canvas. Hope that's pretty secure. But and that's what I'm going to do my little pour on, or bloomy effect. I'm going to use my world's. They are called the world's smallest blowers. I'll try it with the attachment on, and then I'll try it with it off. They've got a USB Duvalaki thingy that you put in a USB port thing. So they're available. If you're anywhere else but Australia, they're available on Amazon. And if you're in Australia, the link below to Capriole Shabby Chic is there. So here we go. I'm going to put some of my white. This is the sterling wax white. As you see, I'm just going to use it straight from the bottle. I am going to spread this first coat around because I want some negative space. I will worry about the very edges after I finish my particular art piece. So just bear with me a second. I just hope that you guys are all going well. You're keeping yourselves busy, and you're doing things that give you joy. So don't get to feeling down in the dumps. Do something that gives you joy. Get on the phone, talk to some old friends or new friends, or always somebody out there wanting to have a yarn and listen to you. Absolutely sure of that. So this is, I suppose, for your base coat, if you like the Shelley Art Techniques uses the house paint. I suppose for the base coat you could use the house paint. Just doing it with this one because this is what I have. So I want to kind of do my effect in two corners, so corner to corner. That's the puppies. This one's Pinnacle Sands, so I believe I've tried this one before, so we'll see what this one goes like. I think probably the best effects come out with the least amount of colours. So I'm going to put a Banksia orange Just give your paint a real good shake. Very highly pigmented paints, and I'm gonna my native violet purple. Where's it gone? I was going to use my... Oh, there you go. I've actually mixed some up. It was the metallic copper. Actually, I'm not sure if I... If you want to get like an abundance of cells, you add the boom booster. It's a cell enhancement. Cell enhancement. I think I've added a bit of the boom booster to this. I believe so. Yep. It's probably a bit... I just put them in these little bottles a while ago. I'm not sure how this is gonna come out, but you know what, you just got to give it a go, haven't you? And I've just got a bit of white here that was pre-mixed too with the same paint, of the boom paint. And just try those for starters. I'll put my mini blower in, and let's just see, because I'm no good at doing this blow thing because I get lightheaded. So give it a go with this. Look at those cells. They look like starfish, don't they? Wow. Oh, I can't find the off button. Oh, okie doke. Like those colours. I might do one in the centre now before I give it a spinny thing. I might try over here. Those colours are beaut, real beaut. So try it again. Might layer the colours a little bit different this time, just because you can. They have absolutely gorgeous colour range in these paints now. Like I said, that little boom. Oh, I've probably put way too much on it. That little boom booster is gorgeous. So I'll put some of that. It's really handy, these little bottles. I get these from Capriole Shabby Chic. You can pre-mix stuff up and they've got a lid for them. So really good, really good. Should I try I've got one mixed up with the black. So I might try the black on top of this. Look at those though. You know, no effort. I didn't have to use all the different products, paints, varnishes, blah, 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 blah. It's all there. And pretty good. Pretty good. Look at that. It's like the bloom effect for the lazy people, me, that don't have to. Oh, that's beautiful. Really love that. I might just leave it a second or two. I'll just see if I can give you a close-up how nice those have come out. I mean, absolutely no effort. It was straight out of the bottle, wasn't it? I haven't spun it yet, so get ready for the spinny thing. Let's try it. I might stuff it up spinning it, but I might not. I might put a bit more paint around the edges. Like I said, I might have to ask the manufacturer of these if you can add a house paint to, you know, if you're using a bigger area and you want to stretch it out, just because the house paint's cheaper, that's all. Not for... Okay. Hold your horses, let's see, it might spin off and ruin my other painting that I've got sat there. I think I need an electric one. Holy dooly, Jackaroonie. Oh, okay. I've painted my shoes. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous too, but it's lost a bit of its shape. Oh, okay. Paint everywhere. Never mind. Never mind. Art experimenty day. Let's give this, I'm just going to use my little stainless steel straw. Soften the edges. I actually like that one just how it is, and that one. I like it. Oh my goodness. That's not so crash hot, but these are just beautiful. I like them. That will come up so lovely. What you call it? Resined. Let me just try this one again. I'll just do a little bit to fill the center. Not that you need it. Everybody likes negative space. I always go to the extreme. Loving this Pinnacle Sand's beautiful. And the Banksia orange with it. Looks lovely. Very nice. So for all you people that have been trying the bloom effect, but you haven't achieved it and you've spent a fortune on it, I suggest you buy these paints because they're kind of like a no-brainer. You know, you don't have to think about it. You get the bloom effect. And obviously, the more you practice it, doing different blowy tools, or you're probably able to use your mouth better than I can, if you get one of my drift. Okay. Oh, getting in too deep here. All right, give it a go. Ooh. Oh, plonker. Seems when you just leave it and the cells that come out of it, the lacing is just gorgeous. Those colours are lovely. Lovely, lovely. Love it. It's a bit over the top for that little canvas, but you know, I was just seeing how they came out again for me and I love it. So please wait for the end for the photos and how it dries. Later on down the track, after it's dried and cured for a few weeks, I will do a resin on this one and I'll video it for you. I'll do it with the liquid glass just to see how it comes out. So thank you guys so much for joining me. It's just wonderful having you subscribe, and the beautiful comments that you all give me truly lifts me up and makes me feel, you know, that you all could be in here with me. Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, thanks for now, and oh God, I'm getting tongue-tied or I'm getting emotional. Silly Jilly. Okay, bye for now, guys.